Hey guys, it's Katt here and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to create a rainbow smoky eye makeup look that can incorporate to my palette kasi magpo-photoshoot ako today holding my palette. So, parang ito yung magiging post ko pag mag-launch na ng palette, and once this video is uploaded, meaning to say naka-release na yung palette ko. Okay, so yeah, I'm very excited. Before I move on to the tutorial, be sure you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already. Click the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my videos. Also, come and follow me on Instagram so you can see some content that I will be posting here on YouTube. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I did my brows off camera using this Elmer's Glue Stick Extra Strength. You can use the purple invisible one, pero ito lang meron. But for me, for my experience, was okay to ng konti. Sobrang niya, kapit niya talaga sa skin ko, unlike dun sa mga ibang na-try kong variant ng Elmer's Glue. So now I'm going to use my favorite. This is the Happy Skin Perfect Brows Long-Lasting Liquid Pen. It's around 400 something, I'm not sure, but this is really good, guys. Like if you're looking for like sobrang thin strokes, this is the one. Okay, so for eye primer, as you all know, I'm going to be using the Canvas Glam and Polish. Actually, ubos na siya, but again, if mga ganito kasi yung packaging ni meron kayo, tapos may stopper siya, ang gawin nyo lang is tanggalin yung stopper kasi may mga remaining products pa rin yan. Usually kasi hindi naman siya sagad sa bottom netong mga klaseng ganitong packaging. So, you can see, ayan o, marami pa siyang product na naiwan talaga sa mismong pinaka-ilalim.
How I feel is beyond words can describe. How you ignite this fire so deep inside. Got me hot like the summer. Really no one even knows me like you do. There's not many in my
So now let's begin using my palette.
Is it too late for you tonight? Roommates asleep, we can sneak in, tiptoe through the tulips, scary movies while we lay it low. Won't let nobody know, not divine, but I don't mind. Up on Valentine's Day, come see me, keep it low key. We can go high speed. Give it 3, it's fine by me. We'll hop on Valentine's Day, come see me, keep it low key. Or we can go high speed, put a kid 3, it's fine by me. Butterflies, are we too old for this night? Playing innocent, you know what I mean. Fingers intertwined,
Okay, so now I'm going to fix the yellow and orange on each side since natakpan ko kasi siya using foundation and then bronzer. So, I'm going back ahead. I think I'm going to start with the yellow first on my palette. Oops, I think I dipped into the wrong shade. Okay, so I'm going to take the yellow on this palette. Just tap and it's just going to start here. And make sure you blend it out para hindi siya mukhang like pinatong mo lang talaga. Like, maganda kasi pag may mga gradient, parang gradient effect. I think I'll go ahead with this super warm orange na may konting shimmer, but ang maganda dito guys, hindi kasi siya like sobrang visible yung shimmer niya, like sobrang mild lang. Kaya hindi ka matatakot gamitin tong orange shade na to if you're going, or if matte yung eyeshadow mo. Okay, so I did my mascara off camera. I used two products right here. We have the Benefit Pad Galbang. I use on my lower lashes kasi maganda siya for lower lashes and mabilis siya matuyo. And I use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise sa mismong lashes ko. So, time for blush. Mostly kasi na blush talaga meron ako dito. Most likely like pink and such. I don't want to use a cream powder kasi sobrang matte na nga ng face ko. So, I probably go for the Ultra Blush Palette by Makeup Revolution. And guys, sobrang tagal na sa akin to. I know it's expired, but hindi naman siya namuwa or something like that. And hindi naman ako yung, or hindi ako nagkakaroon ng allergic reaction to it. So, I kept using it kasi sayang. So, as you can tell, it's well loved. Ayan. So, I'm just going to, again, start here on this area. I'm using the Hey Hue Cubelicious brush. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this Morphe, what's it called? Dimension Effect highlighter stick. This is in the shade Effect 2. I so love this, guys. Like, and I don't put it directly onto my skin. I'm just using a highlighter brush like so. And it does the job. Okay, so I'm going to add a shimmer dito sa may brow part ko. Just kind of to give some glow. So to finish off the look, I'm going to use a nude lipstick. But yeah, I think nude lipstick tayo today. So I'm gonna be using this Maybelline. I forgot what it's called. Pero ano siya, creamy matte-ish siya. So this is in the shade Nude Embrace.
Divine, but I don't mind. Hop on Valentine's, come see me. Keep it low key. Or we can.
And this is the finished look, you guys. So by the way, I changed my lip color. Ginamit ko na lang tong Everydaylove Velvet Matte Tints in the shade Copper Sky. Kasi yung Maybelline, medyo nag-breakdown siya sa lip gloss, kasi luma na siya. By the time this video is uploaded, it means my palette is out already. You can buy them at mermgang.com or on their Shopee account. All the links is on the description box below. So guys, don't forget to tag me on your looks using this palette as well as the Mermaid the PH, okay? Okay, so my dog keep messing with me, so isasama ko siya sa video. Anyway guys, this is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed watching it, don't forget to click thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my videos. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye! Can you do that? Shh. Bye guys!
It's fine by me. Hop on Valentine's, come see me. Keep it